Caspians, I know there's a ton of fear happening right now, ton of panic, because what is happening in the overall markets through forces outside of the markets. But what separates you from being a successful investor now to someone who consistently loses to this market? Let's see what the billionaire investor, multi-billionaire investor Warren Buffett has to say. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. Quote from Warren Buffett. Now, Caspians is in a retrace, is going down in price. What do you do in these moments? A black swan event. You could call it a black swan event. War between Israel and Palestine. Every market taking a huge hit. Bitcoin is down. Other alts are down. What do you do in this moment? If you want to succeed in attaining financial freedom and getting life-changing gains, you dollar cost average, you buy the red, be patient, and then you sell the green. What happened in 2020? Let's take a look at Bitcoin's price action, right? Lead market mover, the king, right? We saw in 2019, 2020, a huge crash. It doesn't even look like much now. Doesn't even look like much of a crash now, right? That's how these markets are. That's how these markets trick people, making them lose money left and right. Be a smart investor. Be a Warren Buffett in the space. Huge crash in 2020 because of the pandemic. Everyone thought crypto was over. And then 2021, poof, we are back like we never left. Big explosion like we've never seen before. It's gonna happen again. Are you gonna get shaken out, Caspian? My fellow Caspians, are you gonna get shaken out? Or are you gonna add to your bags when the price is low and be patient to sell at the parabolic move that is eventually going to happen in this space in the next year or two? We'll see who's gonna win, man. Keep your eyes on the Cas chart. If you don't buy enough Kaspa, you still have a chance to buy now from Kaspa community. Altcoins.com. Altcoin's official research. Could Cas be the next Ethereum? ETH's market cap right now, $190 billion in market cap. Cas's market cap, $935 million, 195x smaller. We are taking Nakamoto's proof of work algorithm to the next level by utilizing block DAG in practice. Allowed us to speed up the chain more than tenfold. Today we are already 15 times faster than Ethereum. And it's not proof of stake, it's proof of work. And with optimization, we think the technology can roughly get us to 100 blocks per second. Remember, 10,000 TPS is a modest number. That's shy stated, right? Caspians, I'm telling you, don't be a panic seller, man. Don't be one of those people that get shaken out from life-changing gains. The fundamentals haven't changed for Cas. The technology hasn't changed. The war is happening right now. Pray for all the innocents and civilians affected. Can't stress that enough. I pray things will calm down, but the markets, we know the markets will come back with a force. They always do. And the number one performing asset this cycle has been Kaspa. From ever since we started from the bottom of the market where Bitcoin was at 15, 16K, the best performing asset has been Kaspa, and nothing has changed about it. It will continue to be the best performing asset going straight into the top of the cycle. And that's when you think about taking profits, man. The genesis of Kaspa is a culmination of over 10 years of intensive research and development orchestrated by renowned Jonathan Sampolinsky and Aviv Zohar. with its fear launch devoid of pre-miner or ICO. Realizing Satoshi's vision, Cas is perceived as the embodiment of Satoshi Nakamoto's original intent for peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Technological superiority. Cas's technological prowess is anchored in its innovative protocols. The Ghost DAG protocol, refined iteration of Ghost protocols, integrates the security robustness of proof of work. The evolution is attributed to Cas founders, who are also the brains behind the original Ghost protocol that ETH currently employs. Kaspa cited in Ethereum white paper in 2016. Jonathan and Aviv is cited in the Ethereum white paper. Think about that. Cas, however, took a leap forward with DAG Knight, which is a more secure, faster evolution of that already efficient Ghost DAG. Ghost DAG protocol combines security of proof of work with the efficiency of proof of stake. DAG Knight adapts to internet speeds, requires fewer confirmations for security, and scales naturally, marking an advancement from Ghost DAG. Kaspa and Rust unleashing potential. Kaspa's integration with the Rust programming language is a move to unlock universal possibilities in application development, known for performance, safety, and concurrency. Rust applications in blockchain has been exemplified by Solana, another prominent blockchain platform. Sol is, I think, the fastest. Sol right now, even though, Sol got a lot of, there's still people that use Sol, but Sol right now, as far as transaction speeds, is, I think, the fastest right now as far as big cap projects, right? And with Rust and everything Kaspa has, speeds, the speed of Cas more than likely will surpass Solana in the future. In the context of Cas, integration with Rust opened doors to a thriving future ecosystem with a myriad of applications like DeFi, stablecoins, blockchain gaming, NFT revolution. That is when smart contracts eventually go live. We already saw Jonathan stated he's working on something to surpass ETH. This is before the Israel-Palestine conflict took place, and that has not changed. The core devs are safe, thank God. Even if the core devs, not wishing bad on anyone, but even if something were to happen to the core devs, Kaspa's code is open source. Anyone who has code and knowledge and has a vision could take the base layer of the technology for Cas and make it into something great. That is what true decentralization is, right? The contributions of Jonathan to the blockchain space are pivotal, with his works being cited by industry giants like Vitalik Buterin Ethereum and Charles Hoskinson of Cardano, and overall in more than 30 plus white papers, right? Aviv Zohar, again, the mentor of Cas. So with this breakdown, Ghost DAG protocol, the DAG Knight evolution, Rust integration, unparalleled speed, fear launch, enhanced security, future proof of technology, its tokenomics, everything that has broken down, right? Cas is currently up 292x against ETH, while Ethereum enjoys a significant market cap and robust network. Kaspa's technological innovations present a compelling narrative. Ethereum's roadmap to scalability, marked by the transition to ETH 2.0, was ambitious but faced issues still, guys. So can Cas surpass ETH? If ETH encounters hurdles in its upgrade path, the door could open for Cas to expand its market presence and adoption, and due to its technological superiority, one day it might dethrone ETH from its current position. Huge shout out to altcoiners for the thread. Great write-up, guys, and I'm telling you, it's all a matter of patience, man. Kaspa Insider. Cas keeps on growing. It's fast, secure, scalable, and decentralized. Cas will make it easier and faster to send and receive money. It will help to reduce the cost of financial transactions, also making it possible to develop new and innovative financial products and services. Crypto Grad. Whales are diving into Cas, yet Kaspa is vanishing in a world of tokens. No pre-sale, no pre-mining. This project's free launch founders research stand out. Wait 5 to 7 years You won't find another like it. You really won't. This Cas is one of a kind, man. It's one of a kind. Again, I say it all the time. There's no issue being a Kaspa Max. If Cas is the only project in your portfolio, I'm not mad at you for that. Because when you look at this space, look at the space, man. There's so many projects that are just terrible, basura, trash. There's so many. When you find a project that is just so great, right? Even if you're getting in at these levels right now at $1 billion, you probably would have been like, I wish I got in at 10 million, 100 million, a million market cap. Long term, a project like this will blow past everyone's expectations. Future Trader 123 Cas on the weekly double top potential reversal. I'm not selling Cas, that it's my highest conviction play, but we'll be adding on the dips if we go there. Cas is the ultimate layer 1 proof of work in existence, right? You see Future Trader, what is Future Trader doing? He is buying the dips. If we see this double top pattern play out and we retrace back down, like I said, the level back down here, I could already see without having to see like the price. The level back down here is around 3 cents. Dollar cost average on the way down. We could see a reversal, man. Cas's chart always, surprises everyone. It really does always surprise everyone. So we could see a reversal, but if we don't, dollar cost average. Buy the dip if you don't have a bag you're comfortable with and happy with, because this could be the only chance you get to see a cheap Cas, man. Don't miss those opportunities. And to close off the video from Keek, smart money scooping cheap Cas once again. You can be the fool that sold Bitcoin early or hold based on your conviction. I know where Kaspa Chads are standing, right? We covered this already. 90% of whales are buying Cas from KuCoin right now as we speak, as the price is retracing. Be like the smart money. Be like the whales. That's how you become a whale yourself. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, tune into the live streams, become a channel member. Thank y'all so much once again for all the support. I'll catch you in the next one.